Dear friends, today's topic is one exercise from HTML. Okay, so since HTML is the basic foundation of any web development process, let us see a particular exercise in HTML. Okay, so let us go to HTML tutorial w3schools.com. Okay, that. And meanwhile, let us also open Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code. We are just opening it. Delete the already existing file. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code. Now, in order to create a HTML document, what you have to do is, first of all, press exclamatory mark, then type tab, enter tab button. Okay, then press enter. First exclamatory mark, then press enter. So that will lead to this basic boilerplate. Call it as boilerplate. This boilerplate consists of opening of HTML document type, right? Then closing of HTML. Opening starts with this less than bracket, okay? And end with less than bracket plus slash. Slash is the major difference in closing any element, right? So from 1 to 12, opening of HTML and closing of HTML. So in between two things are there. That is the head from serial number 3 to, from serial number 3 it starts, head starts, and till 8, up to 8 the head ends. Similarly, body starts from 9 serial number and ends with 11 serial number. Okay, now how to make this HTML boilerplate live? Just click go live. Okay, just wait. Okay, this is the name of the document. Now let us change it. Okay, just a minute. Let me change to HTML exercise 1. Okay, now let us check it. Click port, go live. Let's see here, HTML exercise 1. Okay, image it. So this is the title of the HTML. Right. Now body, if I type para for P, then press enter. So in that, just giving lorem then tab. So that will lead to a random text. This lorem ipsum is a random text. Okay, this P. So now let us go and check this. Okay, see here, this is the text in the body of the HTML. This random text has been generated in the body of the HTML. Okay, and this HTML exercise 1 is the name of the HTML document. Okay, or the title name of the HTML document. And now let me do one thing. Let me, before the body, let me add a heading H1, enter. Let me type heading. Now let me see it. Just in order to see what are the changes that we have made in the program into the HTML. Just directly go and see, it will be updated. See here, heading has been updated. Now one more heading let us give. Let me minimize it. Let me add a second heading. Sorry, H2. Let me type heading, subheading. Okay, this is automatically saved. Actually, when you go and see in the file, auto save is on, so no need to save it. Automatically it gets saved in Visual Studio Code in this file name. Okay, file.html. Then let us go to the browser and check. See here, subheading. This is H1, this is H2, slightly smaller than H1. Then, so this is a simple exercise. Okay, then let us add one image. For image element is img. Then press enter. Actually, I have installed Emmet, so that is the reason it is displaying. And once you click it, automatically it will generate what we are expecting. Okay. Now img src equal to this one. So what we do is, you need to enter the image name. In order to do that, you need to create a file first of all. Where it is, this file is in HTML. Okay, new file, new folder. Let's check where is this folder. HTML. Open folder. Open folder. Okay, it is in this folder. Okay, iINTELLIGENCEi Web Technologies. It is available in this HTML folder. So in the same folder, let me add an image so that I can add it in the program, HTML program. So just a minute, wait. Let me go to pexels.com. Add some image. We give some nature photos. Scroll it down. Let me, this looks nice. In order to download it, click onto it. This free download, original size, medium size, small, custom. Medium. Let me click onto this medium. Then let me save in that folder. Is in this folder, HTML. Okay. So nature is the name of the image, and the image type is JPEG. Okay. Then click save. Now minimize it. Come back to HTML. See here, this is the nature .jpg. This is JPG format. So let me include here. This in chat.jpg. Let me check whether it has been image has been uploaded. Yes. No. Sorry. Yes, it has been uploaded, but with the bigger size. Right. This is the HTML page. There is the web page. Okay. Image size is this, too big. It's at 33% only. It looks, for 100% is too big. So in order to reduce the size of the image, what we have to do is, let us go to HTML images. Let's come down. Width and height. Width is to 500 px, height equal to 600 px. Can give, or just give width equal to 500 quote, within the quote. After alt you have to give width equal to so and so. So let me try. Width equal to, let me give 200 and check. Yes, 200. The size of the image has reduced. Okay. So the size of the image has reduced. Let me increase it further to 400 or 600. Then let me go and check. Okay, it has increased. 400 would be nice. Okay. This is the process how to add an image into the web page. Okay. Once you add the width, based on the width, the height will be adjusted. If you reduce the height, the image gets blurred. Okay. So that you have to note out. Okay. So this is one exercise. Okay. So for this program, entire program within the body, this is the final output we are getting. Okay, this is the final output. It is title, HTML title as HTML exercise 1. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you. Bye.